Abbie's daily weather forecast brings the highs and lows of Wisconsin for May 23, 2003. This is the temperature scale. The dark red is the hottest color on the scale, and the dark purple is the coldest color on the scale. This is the minimum temperature map, and this is the maximum temperature map. The high for Wisconsin is 65, and the low for Wisconsin is 45. Those are the temperatures for today. In this map, we are showing the pressure systems for the U.S. A pressure system is a region of the Earth's atmosphere where air pressure is at its peak or at its low. When it's at its peak, it's a high pressure system, and when it's at its low, it's a low pressure system. Here we have two high pressure systems in the southern Canada region, and a low pressure system in Florida and one in Arizona. The high pressure systems in Canada will bring good weather and clear skies. The low pressure systems in Florida and Arizona will bring storms and precipitation. High pressure systems are when cold air is going down, then the warm air going up brings clear skies. Low pressure systems is when cold air is pushing the warm air down, rising, and then condensing, which brings storms. A low pressure system is in the area that cyclones appear at because of the precipitation and storms. High pressure systems are in the area that anticyclones appear in because of the clear skies. There are four types of fronts: cold front, a warm front, a stationary front, and an occluded front. A cold front forms when cold air mass pushes under a warm air mass, forcing the warm air to rise. This can cause thunderstorms. A warm front forms when moist warm air mass slides up and over a cold air mass. This brings light rain, snow, followed by warm, mild weather. A stationary front forms when warm air mass and a cold air mass meet, and neither has the force to move the other. This can cause clouds and fog. Lastly, an occluded front forms when warm air gets caught between two cold air masses and rises. This can cause temperatures to drop and high wind speeds. According to this map, there is one stationary front off the Atlantic moving northwest, and there is one cold front moving off of Florida into the Atlantic. As you can see on these two maps, we are showing the amount of precipitation and where it is in the U.S. Precipitation is the amount of rain, sleet, or snow that certain areas get. There is light precipitation in Washington, but as you can see, there seems to be much rainfall and maybe snow Maine through Florida in this region. We also have some rainfall within Wisconsin and Minnesota all the way down to the tip of Oklahoma. That's the precipitation for May 23rd. This map shows us the isobars of the U.S. Isobars are the lines on a map connecting points having the same atmospheric pressure at a given time or on an average over a given period. According to this map, we have two low pressure systems, one in the Pacific Ocean and one in Wisconsin. We also have one high pressure system in northern Mexico. That is the isobars for May 23, 2003. There are four types of air masses: tropical continental, tropical maritime, polar continental, and polar maritime. Air masses are volumes of air defined by its temperature and humidity. Warmer air masses are deemed tropical, colder air masses are deemed polar or Arctic, and land air masses are continental, and water air masses are maritime. Thanks for watching!